Is it? Okay. Let's wake you up afterwards. We'll play some games also, don't worry. Robotics, how many of you know about robotics? How many of you have watched English movies? Robots? Okay, we'll see on that. We'll check your knowledge, okay, on the movies afterwards. So, like you would be thinking, यार कौन आगे बच्चा यहाँ पे सिखाने को, you know, this is the general notion which I generally get every time. So, as it is said, I've been working with Dr. Bhatkar in his working as a research consultant in the field of automation and robotics with him for past 2 years actually right now. So when I was coming with Dr. Bhatkar over here in Nagpur yesterday, in plane I asked him, what would be comfortable with you? I mean, would it be Marathi, English, or Hindi? What should I use actually? English. Is English okay?
English.
Okay, fine. Because Dr. Bhatkar said I should be delivering the speech or the lecture in the known language which you know, which should be able to, I mean, the language which is able to connect to you. So English is okay with everyone?
Yes.
All right. Fine. So everyone can look at the screen. Can they see clearly? Come on, don't sleep right now. अभी तो खाना खाया है. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Just had your lunch right now. If you sleep that early, what would happen further? और बहुत कुछ आपको सीखना है. Anyway, I'm not here to teach you something philosophical. I'm here something आज कुछ technology से खेलते हैं. किसी को अच्छा लगता है machines के साथ खेलना? Open it, break it, you know, make something new out of it. करते क्या कभी कुछ? I think boys and girls would be doing it. Science के students, I expect at least that. हाँ? घर पे कुछ खिलौना लेके मतलब बचपन का खिलौना देखा, अरे this is like something. Let's remove the parts and use it somewhere. So anyone does that? How many of you do it? Okay, great. Fine. So all innovators over here. ठीक है. So as I think you are sleeping, all of you, let's play a game. वो जगाएगा at least I hope. Okay. So can anyone tell me who this is? Okay. Okay, that was the name of the actor. Tell me the name of the character. Terminator. Who was he? He was a robot from the future. Okay. How many of you got inspired by this? ऐसा नहीं ऐसा हो सकता है. How many of you actually still think this kind of future can happen? Maybe not in reality, then in future बहुत ज़्यादा आगे. कितने लोग सोचते हैं? Raise your hands. Okay, fine. Not many people are optimistic. चलो ठीक है. Fine, no problem. Tell me who this is. Anyone knows this? Okay, great. This? Okay, fine. I mean, some say movie, some say, I mean, ठीक है, चलो. At least वो robot है, पता है. Fine. Now, I am asking you a difficult question. अब आपको शायद से नहीं पता होगा, and it is be very careful. Carefully screen पे देखना. Okay, who this is? Okay. ठीक है, तो मतलब it's not difficult for because नहीं ठीक है, it was difficult for me maybe शायद से, and it was not difficult for you. So yes, you are right. It was Chitti. Can anyone tell me the configuration of Chitti? Anyone? How much memory? How much speed? Okay. Yeah, anyone. I'm waiting. Yes, please.
Speed 1 terabyte, memory 1 zettabyte.
क्या बात है, वाह! Give a big hand to him. हमारे पास एक अच्छे ऑब्जर्वर है जो मूवी सिर्फ देखते नहीं पर ऑब्जर्व करते हैं. Remember it. That's good. Anyways, so all these are robots. Yes, these all are robots. ठीक है. तो now we are understanding कि ये सब तो हम Hollywood conceptual fantasies all was there, right? All this is fantasies, and all these are creations, innovations, or imaginations, what we can say. You know, do you know what this is currently? The image. Anyone knows this? क्या है ये? Okay, this is not from any movie. This is a reality. He is from Honda, named Asimo. ठीक है? It is a short version in Japanese, actually, Asimo. But it is there कि ऐसे अब humanoids हम बना सकते हैं. There are possibilities now that we are working on humanoids. You know what is a humanoid? What is a humanoid? Anyone? Yes, anyone? Anyone? I give you a chance. Let's another. Please, wake up. Hello. मुझे इंटरैक्टिव सेशंस पसंद है. सोना रहता तो मैं घर पे जाके सो जाता. Anyone? ठीक है, चलो जाने दो. Maybe you are sleeping a lot. Fine. I was expecting something grand, yeah. I mean, this is an A grade college, isn't it? I can expect something from you. There should be enthusiasm. Robotics है. Fine, forget it. चलो. So let's go back यार. ये आदमी यहाँ पे आके बात बड़बड़ कर रहा है. Like again, I think most of you would be thinking कि कौन है ये, क्या यानी robotics पे आके शुरू हो गया. Who is this guy who actually started this robotics? You know, we say मिल जाता तो I would see him. मैं देख लेता. यार कौन है ये जिसने robotics शुरू किया? So let's go back in history and blame that guy, not me, please. Okay? So we'll say there was a Czechoslovakia, the country. So he was from Czechoslovakia. So he is a Czech writer, a novelist named Karel Čapek. He introduced the name robotics or the word robotics or robot in his book Rossum's Universal Robot. Okay? So what happened was कि ये जो robot था वो एक कल्पना थी. He imagined something in his novel that there would be a tin man. Tin man समझ आता है? Metal का आदमी जो उसके घर के सब कामकाज करेगा. And it would be a slave because in Czech robots means slaves. And that's where the word robots come from. This is the actual basic starting of the word robotics. लेकिन क्या लगता है कि क्या हमने इससे पहले robots कभी imagine नहीं किया? Did we even think about robots before 1920s? So let's go a little bit further and deny कि नहीं, उससे पहले भी before Karel Čapek there was a great thinker, scientist, artist, visionary, philosopher named Da Vinci. He drew some diagrams जिसके अंदर ऐसा था
15-20 मिनट
कि there would be a small like ऐसा उसने designs किए थे, some mechanics he had designed in his papers in the year 1400s that he is going to work as human. इंसान के जैसे हाथ पैर चला पाएगा. This was his imagination then. But is it still? उससे पहले किसी ने सोचा नहीं था? Yes, they had thought about it. It was a Greek god called Hephaestus. Sorry. So this god was actually god of mechanics in Greek mythology. Okay, in Greek mythology, this god used to make everything out of machines. So there was इससे भी पहले से notions आते जा रहे हैं. So you know, robots are not new to us. They have been working from a long time with robots, but it was still imagination. And now is the real time because the science is improving. तो उसकी वजह से हम we are able to work and make robots as we want. So what is a robot? Now I want this answer from you. I hope अभी तक सो नहीं होंगे. I still expect. What is a robot? Give me a generalized information. I don't want a proper definition as you get it in a textbook or something. What do you think a robot is? Yes? Anyone? Anyone? Yes.
Which will do any work of or make human work easier.
Pardon? Machine?
A machine which makes human work easier.
Okay, a machine which makes human work easy is a robot. Fine. Anyone else? Yes, ma'am.
Machine working on some protocols.
Machine working on a protocol. Okay, great. Any other? Please, ma'am.
Machine works under given
Machine working under given instructions. So,
The machine which stores data in its memory.
machine
Which stores data.
which stores data in his memory. Okay, it's a robot.
Perform various activities which humans can't.
Perform various activities which humans can't. Okay, fine, very good, very good. Next, anyone else? Yes, there was someone over
A
here.
machine which can be controlled by a design software.
A machine can be controlled by a design software. Very good, very good. Next, anyone? Yes, sir.
Assembly of proper technology.
Assembly of proper technologies. Okay, fine. So we have seen that we are into a generalized notion कि robots क्या है. Everyone agrees it's a machine, right? Fine. So what we are working with is that robot, the main thing it has is a brain, circuits. It may not be as good brain as we have. या even तो एक छोटी से छोटी जो चींटी रहती है, there's an ant. Okay, the machines or the robots are not even that intelligent till now. Okay, they're not that intelligent to even compare or even, yeah, I can say compete with the insects of current world. So, where are we going? Where are we in robotics? We are not yet up to the mark. We say it has to have a brain, robot, so that it understands what we say. Someone said there would be, we can give instructions, but at least it should understand if we give instructions, right? So for that we have got circuits, we have got brain. Well, that's a manifestation, we can say. It is a hypothesis also. So this is one thing. Second thing is a robot should be able to take a feedback from its environment. As who was there in the biology lecture before this? कितने लोग थे? All of them. ठीक है. So he what Sir said was that biology is required, not needed कि it should be only in a medical field. कि डॉक्टर बनने के लिए सिर्फ biology करना चाहिए. That is not true. He is right, because robotics also needs biology. We are making eyes for robots. We are making sound input for robots. So we are trying to mock human sensory perceptions into robot. हम robots को काम दे रहे हैं. We are giving ears to robots. We are giving eyes to robots. Okay? We are giving smell to robots. We are giving pressure sensors and touch sensitive skins to robots. So what is this? What is all this? It is so that the robots can understand, take a feedback from its environment to make its decisions. Right? So these are the few important things which robots, these are few features I would say of robots. ठीक है? कि क्या होना चाहिए? What should be